Today, let us see the effective atomic number rule. What is effective atomic number rule? It is after Werner's theory, Sidgwick made a first attempt to find the basis of bonding in a coordination bonds in 1927. He suggested that metal ion accept a electron pair from the Ligon until it achieves the next noble gas configuration. This is called a effective atomic number, EAN. So EAN, let us see the rule. According to the EAN rule, the effective number complex should be equal to next noble gas configuration, krypton, xenon, radon is a consistency. Atomic numbers are 36, 54, 86. So the complex should have 36 electron, 54 electron, 86 electron means that complex is stable. For example, to calculate the EAN, formula is Z minus X minus Y. Z is called atomic number of the central metal, X is called oxidation state of the central metal, and Y is called as a coordination number. Number of coordination number electrons. So that the 2 into multiplication of the coordination number. So total number of gain from the Ligons. Just apply this formula and let us see few examples. Illustrations. Here I have charted out complexes and EAN calculation with the formula Z minus X plus Y and the EAN value, and next inert gas with this atomic number of the inert gases. Whether it is the same means it is stable. If it is not same means it is not obeying the EAN value. So later on we will see what is the importance of EAN. Now we will see the example: platinum 4 and NH36 and a 4 plus. It is a cationic complex. The name of the complex is hexaamine platinum bromelator 4 ion. So EAN value, that the platinum atomic number is 78 minus X. It is a plus 4 valency. So minus in close bracket plus 4 plus Y is coordination number is 6. It is a unidentate. So 2 into 6. So 78 minus 4 plus 12, we are getting 86. That is nothing but radon atomic number is 86. Next example, nickel 2 and En thrice, that is 2 plus. This is a bidentate. So it is a 3 times. So we should call it as a tris. Ethylene, diamine, nickel, bromelator 2 ion. So the nickel atomic number is 28. So EAN equal to, applying this formula, that is 28 minus enclosed in a bracket plus 2 is the valency of the nickel, and plus and 3 I have written, but each Ligon having 4 electrons. So what? 4 into 3, 12. So that is EAN value is 38. It is krypton 36. It is not obeying the EAN rule. Next, CrNH3 6. The whole power 3 plus. This is hexaamine chromium bromelator 3 ion. Chromium valency, oxidation status plus 3. So 24 minus in close bracket plus 3 minus or plus minus plus, it is a unidentate 2 into 6. So it is a 12. So totally 33. But krypton is 36. Nearest thing is 36. So what? This also not obeying EAN rule. Next example, CO4, the whole power is minus 1. So actually 1 minus only to be written now. So what? This is tetracarbonyl, and this value is a gopaltate because negative anionic complex gopaltate. So what number 1? This is gopaltate bromelator 3 ion. So the atomic number of gopalt is 27. So the applying the formula 27 minus, it is a the charge is minus 1. So oxidation state of gopalt is minus 1. You write as minus of minus plus 1. So 4 into 2, 8. So totally 36. It is a krypton 36. Once again, I'm repeating. CO4, whole power minus 1. The gopalt value is minus 1 oxidation state. So what? It has a minus of minus, we are getting plus. Then vanadium and hexacarbonyl. So in hexacarbonyl is there, it is a neutral Ligon. So oxidation state of vanadium is 0. So that atomic number is 23 minus 0 plus it is a unidentate 2 into 6, 12, 35. It is not obeying EAN rule because krypton having 36. Next, Gopalt NH36 outside Cl3, 3 counter ions. Just see this only ligons and central metal ion. That Gopalt atomic number is 27. That valency is plus 3 because outside 3 Cl minus. So what we are getting 3 plus. So 3 plus minus, minus or plus or minus, plus it is unidentate is 2 into 6, 12. So 36. It obeys the EAN rule. Next, iron, CO carbonyl, NO nitrosyl, 3 times. So what these two are a unidentate. So what we should take it, this is a unidentate, but NO alone, it is not a unidentate at all, because if it is in a linear form, I have written here that nodes of neutral molecule means NO nitrosyl have a linear form as well as bent form. If it is a linear form, it will donate 3 electron. If it is a bent form, it donate a 1 electron. In case of ionic, this nitrosyl compound, if it is an ionic, N plus means it donate 2 electron, NO minus means it donated 2 electrons. So what it is very, very important to notice all these points of this is called a NO plus donate 2 electron, NO minus also donate 2 electron. Sometimes in the square bracket, NO value may be given in plus value or maybe in a minus value. Here it is not plus, not minus. It is a neutral. So it is in a linear structure. So it donate the 3 electrons. So what carbonyl is only 2 electrons. So only 1 carbonyl. So I have written a 2 for carbonyl plus this ligand. This ligand how many times? 3. So it donate 3 electrons. So each one donate 3 electrons. It is a neutral molecule. It is a linear structure. It donates 3 electrons. So I have multiplied by 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11. Then here minus 1, 25 plus 11, 36. This very, very important question. You should notice in what state this nitrosyl group is present. If the nitrosyl is in a neutral, it is in a linear form, ordinary form. Sometimes it is a bent form means it is only 1 electron. In linear form, it is a donating 3 electron. If it is an NO plus means it is a donating 2 electron. Easily we can multiply by 3 into 2. And even NO minus also donated 2 electron. Easily we can multiply 3 into 2. But in case of NO neutral to be giving a 3 electrons. So what multiplied by 3. So 3 into 3, 9 we are getting here only 2 into 1, 2 only. So what this is 36. So it obeys the EAN value. It is important need question. Next in square bracket Ag NH3 twice it is a unidentate. So diamine silver Roman letter 1. So it has a 47 minus 1 now. So that is plus 1 valency of silver. So minus 1 and this is unidentate 2, 2 into 2, 4, 50. This is also not obeying EAN value because next to this noble gas is xenon 54. So one more, two more examples. Ruthenium CO5. So pentacarbonyl ruthenium. That is no oxidation state. It is a zero oxidation state. So the atomic number of ruthenium is 44 minus 0 plus. It is a unidentate 5 into 2, 10, 54. It is next to xenon 54. Then chromium CO6. Even this also, it is neutral ligand. So hexa carbonyl, chromium, that is only zero oxidation state, and here 24 is the atomic number of chromium, zero oxidation state of chromium, 0, and is a unidentate 6 into 2, 12. Adding, we are getting 36. So next to noble gases, 36 krypton. So what are the uses of EAN rule? More valid for a non-classical complexes, especially carbonyl compounds are used. We can determining the stoichiometry of the stability, oxidizing and reducing. Stoichiometry, stability, oxidizing and reducing character of carbonyl complex can be calculated. So between FeCN6 4 minus and FeCN6 3 minus, which is stable complex. Please just we will see the nomenclature. Hexacyanide, Kc, ferrate, Roman letter 2 ion because it is an anionic complex, right? Find the difference 2. Find the difference 3. So hexacyanide Kc ferrate Roman letter 3 ion. So which is stable? Let us see this. EAN value Z minus X plus Y. The atomic number of ion is 26 minus, it is plus 2 valency and this is plus 3 valency. Plus 2. So it is a minus or plus a minus. And it is a unidentate, so 6 into 2, 12. 36, krypton also 36. Obeys EAN rule. Here FeCN6, 3 minus, that is 26 atomic number. That valency of the, oxidation state of ion is plus 3. So minus plus 3 enclosed in bracket, it is a unidentate 6 into 2, 12. So 26 minus 3 plus 12 gives a 35. It is not obeying. Even here a krypton 36. So what EAN value of ion 6, 4 minus is 36, while EAN value of CN6 the whole power 3 minus is 35. So but FeCN6 3 minus is more stable than FeCN6 4 minus due to more effective nuclear charge in a Fe3 plus. So here it is a Fe3 plus, here Fe2 plus and here a Fe3 plus. So Fe3 plus is more stable than the Fe2 plus. Then finding oxidizing and reducing character of following examples. This also it is an important MCQs, vanadium carbonyl and iron carbonyl and nitrosyl and carbonyl. These are the example. Let us see the example. I have written all the carbonyls here and EAN calculation and EAN value and finding the nature of the compounds, whether oxidizing and reducing agents. So first let us come across this example. This is 23 is the atomic number and 0 valency. It is 23 minus 0. Carbonyl is a unidentate, so 2 into 6. 12, we are getting 35 is the reducing agent. And here iron atomic number is 26. The oxidation state is -1. So here this is CO, this is +2. And nitrosyl already I told you that is donating 3 electrons. So 3 into 3, 11, we are getting 36. Then manganese atomic number is 25. It has a -1 valency. It is 5 unidentate. It is a 5 into 2, 10. So 34. Next CO. Atomic number 27, the oxidation state is +2 and here it is a acquiring unidentate 4 into 2, 8, 37. You just see even numbers, 36 and 34, all oxidizing agent, odd numbers or reducing agents. Thank you, students.